If you're searching for Epicor reviews, you're probably past the brochure stage and getting ready to make a decision. Does Epicor actually help manufacturers run better? What do real users and real companies say after going live? In this video, we'll distill what we're seeing across public reviews and case studies in terms of where Epicor Kinetic shines, where users push back, and what that means for you. Let's dive in. Across mainstream review sites, Epicor Kinetic tends to score well with small to mid-sized manufacturers who need job-based control and strong configurability. Users frequently praise their flexibility and custom dashboards, but also mention a learning curve and UX quirks that improve over time. On G2, multiple reviewers highlight Kinetic's ability to tailor workflows and surfaces, the benefit being that Epicor's products and dashboards are extremely configurable. On Capterra and TrustRadius, common positives include scalability, quote-to-cash coverage, and real-time visibility. The overall sentiment is that it's powerful for SMB and mid-market manufacturing, with the usual ERP trade-offs around steep learning curves. Gartner Peer Insights entries echo a similar theme: solid manufacturing depth, product maturing with updates, and tools to extend the app, tempered by the reminder that any ERP's value depends on data quality and implementation. What Epicor reviewers like most. Many Epicor reviews call out customizability, the ability to extend and tailor screens, and strong job operation costing that ties back to scheduling and inventory. Several reviews specifically praise how Kinetic lets teams shape fields and navigation to match their processes instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all workflow. Independent user forums, like Epi users, contain the full spectrum, from enthusiastic power users to posts about early version glitches. That love the power, mind the polish vibe shows up there too, alongside the acknowledgement that later releases have smoothed many edges. One common critique is that the default UI can feel a little airy compared to other dense ERPs. Some users want more data density without clicks. Other reviews report extra costs for certain modules and note that Tier 1 support can require escalation for complex issues, but these are not really unusual observations for enterprise ERPs, especially compared to the competition. Epicor case studies and success stories. Here are a few highlights from Epicor's case studies and customer stories. Madson's custom cabinets. After a decade on Epicor, Madson's moved to Kinetic in the cloud to improve usability and enable access from anywhere. Their IT lead cites a single unified dataset and streamlined remote access as key wins, a representative example of customers consolidating on one cloud instance as they grow. Epicor's own customer library highlights global and mid-market rollouts. TASI Measurement standardizing on Kinetic to automate processes, Marmon Water accelerating multi-site cloud adoption, and distribution customers reporting revenue and productivity gains. These are vendor-hosted stories, so read with a critical eye, but they mirror review site themes around scale and consolidation. You'll also find sector-specific examples like Tuffeloy Products, who point to real-time ERP data in the cloud, helping on-time delivery and bottom-line optimization. Again, reinforcing that Kinetic's sweet spot is production-centric organizations that benefit from job visibility and shared data across locations. 4 takeaways from Epicor reviews. Number 1, match the mode. Epicor Kinetic is strongest where job-based, discrete, mixed-mode manufacturing matters. If that's your DNA, the fit improves. Generic ERPs may handle financials well, but struggle on the shop floor detail. The positive reviews typically come from teams leaning into Kinetic's job costing, scheduling, and custom screens. Number 2, plan for some UX and change management. You can make the UI friendlier, but the best implementations assign a business analyst or power user to build role-based dashboards early. That move shows up repeatedly in the "we love it now" reviews. Number 3, budget realistically. Expect add-on costs for certain modules and integrations, because this is common across ERPs. Balance that against the platform's breadth and the savings from running a single cloud instance across locations. Number 4,
Epicor Industry ERP Cloud. Many of the stronger case studies and happier reviews come from organizations that consolidated sites, teams, into Kinetic in the cloud. Less IT overhead, one version, and easier remote access.
If you want to see whether Epicor is the right fit for your organization, request a demo through the links in the description below. It's always best to dig in and compare to see for yourself. And if you want an apples to apples comparison with your shortlist, SelectHub is here to help. Check out our ERP resources in the description. We've analyzed hundreds of ERP vendors, compared them side by side, and scored their capabilities. Again, links to all that in the description. Thanks to Epicor for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more ERP breakdowns and manufacturing insights. See you next time. Cheers.